Welcome. In this video I will show you how to record screen of your LG Gram. In order to start a screen recording, you either have to press the combination of three buttons, Windows, Shift and R simultaneously, and the other way to do so is by pressing the print screen button and then selecting the record option right here on the bar. And so once you select the record option, you just have to use this crosshair to select an area of your screen that you want to record. And as you can see, the bar has changed. Now we can click this icon to unmute the microphone and click this one to mute system audio. Once you're ready to start the recording, just click start and to let the snipping tool access your microphone by clicking yes. Now everything that happens within this selected area will be shown on the recording. So if you want to pause it, click the pause icon. To stop and save, click the red square icon, and to delete the recording without saving, click the trash bin icon. Now let's stop the recording, and once you stop it, you will see the full preview of it. In here you can trim this recording using the quick trimming tool, or you can edit the recording in Clipchamp if you want to, by clicking right here. To save the new version of the recording, click Save As and select the folder where you want to store your new recorded video. However, all the screen recordings are by default saved into the videos folder. In videos folder, go to screen recordings, and here is the screen recording that we just made. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.